Traders, I'm looking at the pound dollar on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to do a really quick top down. All right, so at the moment this is trending, and target is these highs here. That'll be the first target. Just grab a marker, mark it up. Okay, target 1, target 2, go for these highs up in here. If I can grab my pencil. It's having a bit of trouble with the mouse. There we go. So target 1, target 2, if this continues bullish, is pretty overstretched. It's the only thing. So be careful with this. But I mean, that's the weekly time frame. But closer to our current, I'm just looking for a day trade opportunity. It's been rallying really nicely. Okay, we've got these higher highs, higher lows. So let's just have a look at it on the 4-hour. 4H. Yeah, I'm looking for continuation, higher highs, higher lows. We have this movement, and my rule of thumb is grab a Fibonacci, pull it from the last swing. So fib, low to high, and I'm looking for an entry around this candle here. Okay, we have a bullish imbalance through there. All right, I'm looking for this to pull back down into this level. All right, so that's my take on the pound dollar at the moment. And yeah, I mean, comment, guys. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment below. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.